Hi everyone, it's me Helene here, and I just have to start by saying wow, wow, wow. So excited. Check my email this evening. Up pops one from Herrschners, and I am so glad I opened it so I could jump on real quick here and share this with you. Kon Cakes have been exclusive to Michael's for quite a while, and I have been seeing them, maybe one or two creep in here and there to say Herrschners or another place maybe where you could get them, but never have I seen this many available in one place, which is great because Michael's here in the United States. It's not in everyone's area. And what's nice with Herrschners is they have discounted shipping offers. If you get on their email list and you check it, then you can order, make your list together. But what's nice now is that they are on sale and they have some configurations with bundles and multi-packs too. And that is the thing, is that I almost didn't open it because I have been on a yarn shopping diet for a while as I'm working through my stash, which I've been wanting to do. And it's always a little bit tempting, but I do like to at least open an email, see what's new, what's going on. But sometimes it's like, no, I don't even want to be tempted. So to me, this is very exciting. All right, so they have just about every color, every type of the CARON cakes, except for the blossom cakes and the marble cakes, unless I'm missing something else. And it does show that, see where it says new, these are the new ones that they're new to Herrschners that they're now carrying. So I'm assuming that the ones that don't have this new on it are CARON cakes they've already had in stock. And then they have the regular CARON yarn too, the Simply Soft. They carry that as well, but I'm just focusing on the cakes here. There's so many choices here. Everything from the cotton cakes, spice cakes, cloud cakes, and the big cakes too. Funnel cakes, I think those are fairly new. Those are cotton blend, I believe that is. That's definitely more textural. Check that out here. So look at that, the retail price, and that is the retail price, in case you catch Michael's when they have a coupon. So $6.99 on that. And there's some really pretty, this one's peaches. So it was hard to tell seeing it when it was just stacked in the cake, but when I pulled up the thumbnail at the bottom, you can see how there are a lot of various colors in there. And the fiber content, it is 100% cotton. It's a number 4 worsted weight. One of those big 8.8 ounces, 250 grams. And wow, this has 425 yards in it. So you can make some neat things with that. I like that they offer 3 solids and 3 of the semi-solids, which will create a really pretty marled effect. I like that. I like them all. I like them all. I wouldn't say no to any of them. Now check it out. If you worked with or saw the cotton cakes when they first came out some years back, they originally were in these 3.5 ounce 100-gram cakes, which are nice for smaller projects, like my summer baseball cap visor hat with the optional ponytail port. 1 cake is all you need. So as palette sampler of the spice cakes, you get 8 of them for $44.99, which I don't know, you break that down, that's less than $6 a cake, and those are the big cakes too. So that's a good value pack there. And then a bag of 2 on the angel cakes, $15.98, so say $8 a piece, and that is the sale price, because they do retail for the $12.99, unless you hit it with a coupon. And they are separately, where'd they go? Here we go, $8.99. So you save an additional $1 on the 2-pack per cake. And these angel cakes are more of a marled type. So they have a lighter color yarn with the base color. And you can see it shows up pretty well on this yellow one, where you have different like highs and lows to them. I saw them at Michael's a couple of years ago, and then I didn't see them again. And those could be worked in some of those self-striping. Let's check out and see what colors they have, shall we? And the 3.5 ounces. I loved the original ones. The first year they had them, I thought the yarn, it seemed thicker and it was more spongy, and it kind of bloomed a little bit more with the stitches. And then when they came out with them the following year or the year after, the yarn seemed to change a little bit. Okay, so they only have 4 colors of this: Blushing, Melon, Maritimes, which is this one here, which is like a nautical or Americana, patriotic colors, could work back to that. Beach Glass, which is always a good try and true, is one of the original colors. And Nested Blues has been around for a while too. And here we go, the 60 cotton, 50 acrylic. You get 530 yards in the 8.8 ounce cake. Here are all the colors. Nice to see the Amethyst Sky back. That's the one on top. And then Hydrangea. That's been around. Nested Blues, always a beauty. Here we go. Now the solids are then together with, on the same page with the self-striping. So I'm glad to see some solids still available. But wow, that's all they have, which only the cream works back to the Amethyst Sky. You could probably put it in with the Nested Blues because of the tans. And this is not a white. It is in the Hydrangea. Now that is a white. Nested Blues is a little bit more of a softer white, a cream. And either one of these could work in the Angel Cakes that I showed you, but a little disappointed now with the color selection. It's not as broad as I would have hoped, but at least, I mean, you have some really pretty ones here. And maybe, you know, as we get more into spring and summer, maybe they'll bring in some more colors. So the Spice Cakes, which is 100% acrylic, it's a super bulky, so they have quite a few colors now, and it is the season for that anyway. And quite a nice range. Look at that. Indiegogo. That's funny. Indiegogo. Ooh, pretty colors. And I did check that out in the store, and texture-wise reminded me of the Lion Brand Ferris wheel, if you're familiar with that. The Lion Brand Ferris wheel is a roving yarn, but as far as the feel of it, it's soft, but not the softest to me. It does definitely has some I want to say texture, because texture isn't necessarily a bad thing, but maybe a little bit of coarseness, although I haven't worked it up, and sometimes that really can change once you get into working something up. That's an excellent sale price. Did you see that on those Spice Cakes? $5.99, regularly from $12.99, so that is 60% off. Now this is a pretty selection, so you get half a dozen here. Ooh, Sun and Sea. Oh, that would make a pretty poison ivy. Wow, these are really nice color combinations. All right, I'll just look into a couple more. Okay, so they have 5 colorways. Wow, it's really hard to tell what's what. Let's check out the Dreamy Violet, if that's a better swatch. Nope. Oh, come on. I think they could have done a better job of taking photos, because who doesn't want to see all the colors that's in it? This doesn't really give much of an idea, a snapshot of it. It's just way too close in. Okay, clicked on the tea cakes. The one that they're showing they don't even have in stock. Well, okay. Popular shea butter. See, they're just showing a close-up, and I have a couple of these, and there are definitely more colors in that. This is so pretty though, the Rainfall. They're all nice. I think all of the tea cakes are done really well. That gives you an idea. Oh, maybe they sold out just because of the season. So, yes, Michael's does have more in their store, different colors, but again, that could be seasonal too. They were really low the last time I went in, which was earlier, oh, like maybe in December sometime. Okay, so I think you want to just look at, do you like the regular? Want to just see what's on here while we're here together? Those colors are pretty. I personally don't care for this yarn. It's very coarse. It's not a real nice wool. It's 80/20 and it's prickly to me. Some people love it. Obviously they've had it in their line a long time. Wasn't pleasurable for me to work with. You know, if it hurts, it's just not so fun, or allergic to it. I think that gives you a pretty good idea. Okay, well, that's it for today. Just had to show you all this exciting news, okay? Take good care, and I will see you again soon. All right, bye, and have a great weekend and beyond.